Hi everyone, this is Sasi. You're watching my channel, so-called Sasi's Guidance. Today also I am going to talk about narration class. It is the same class, but this is the class of the matching tense of the reported speech. Reported speech is in the way the tense tense is a very important. Tense is important. Narration and matching tense of reported speech. Narration is narration direct and indirect speech. And these are kinds of narration. I did narration ki makan matching person ki saru akoi tamgre first person how to use first person, how to use second person, and how to use third person. But everything we have already learned about how to use them. But actually now we have to learn about how to make the tense of the reported speech correctly after changing direct speech to indirect speech. Direct speech indirect speech let's learn about rule of these classes. If the reporting verb is present or future tense, reporting verb part reporting speech reported speech som speaker and the listeners ki parts reporting speech formula reporting rule reporting verbs present or future tense the present tense future tense tense class the tense of the reported speech will not be changed in indirect form. Aduna reported speech ki tense to indirect form da karimta huoy haba. Huji haji kai no matamda hariba hadi reporting verbs ne present or future tense oram taragadi indirect speech all matamda reporting verb to reporting ki tense to karimata hongoy habaneba. Adun dekho piri rules is kari khangba yai have jakona tum khangbi ganeba. Haidi reporting ki verb to present or future oramavadi hai taragadi reporting part karino khangbirani reporting ki part ekho say that he says to me have parts ne khoi khange. Aduna sine present or future tense or the present tense the present tense the present indefinite, present continue, present perfect or present perfect continuous can like the present indefinite or present perfect something mainly we should focus on the present indefinite and the future indefinite focus then present tense future tense the future tense is indefinite the tense or reported speech reported speech reported speech is tense reporting speech is tense reported speech is tense reporting speech ki tense ki reported speech ki tense sidadi present natraga future oramadi all having adukimatic line sidigi and live later have yara aduti formula sagalaji subject plus says plus I says it say then sigi subject I go oram taragadi ko I some says or visit the pisan bewani aduna 2 plus object says 2 lemta the object yoram never says the 2 plus object yoram moeva and says 2 plus object plus the subject reported speech subject plus any tense so dot any word let's apply this formula now you have he says to me is again what is this part and this part is called the reporting speech the reporting speech ka way high gre adu dekho kare are adu reporting speech khanga bani na reporting speech ki tense khan to ase tense khan formula apply ta matam jo ka de kane he plus subject v1 plus s like present indefinite tense he says to me is the object to is a preposition and me is the object over here adu no ora bani na ka de kane says to je le matam the tense of this sentence is present indefinite to sumai to sigi tense aduna dina tense khangbiu hadana kadavai in the classes of the voice, in the classes of the question tag, in the classes of formation of negative, in the classes of the formation of interrogative. We have done a lot of classes. But at that time when I have already told you about the tenses, all of you please focus on tenses. Without having the knowledge of tenses, you cannot do anything else. How to change active to passive, how to change direct to indirect speech, how to write English correctly with some arrivals, and how to transform a sentence, different kinds of sentences. You can learn, from my channel, different kinds of sentences. If you learn different kinds of sentences, definitely you are going to improve your English. But it's up to you. How is the best way? Practice is the best way. Practice makes the main perfect. Everybody knows it. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. Subject plus says to learn. Tails all have later. Sigi parts Sigi parts on Posi, Songi part of subject anything you have done it any tense at the you have done means that it is the present perfect tense. She's a one doing. Adu the all subject same Tambirani. Next is get away from Lamatung tails Tamina. Kagi tails Tamina says to Lamadica that we're going to tails all have the level. Adu Tambigini lazy. Next object me later. Next is get away going dead later. Next is get away going to subject. She subject, she had one of the same subject or Karina, she the section be human on the cano. She does subject on the Kari later. You second person later. Second person you learn that the Karigimatung all ever when a class. I give Doma Mangida. Reporting speech key Karigimatung all ever. Second person reporting speech key object matung all have never ruled the Harido. Objective matung all the reporting speaking objective means oira adu di margin sidaka subject on sinatoina I and on granny. How's you queen a kang madu de carino? You was in I only. Karigi Oliva uses second person aduna reported speech the dika the Waikona Yaramba second person ado indirect speech all of the second person to the Thambaya de aduna magi. Object any have a new like object reporting speech key object. Yamatan the Karipange me Pangamana instead of me we write I over here. Aquana I have a Zimapamaside Ireba. Because Marandika the Waikona you is used as a subject over here, that's why and I should be used as a subject. Subject is season and never. Other Masizumay can be any. But actually next we have to check what is the tense of this sentence. The tense of this sentence is present perfect. How do we know about this present perfect tense form? Let's find out the formula. You is subject over here, then have is a have. Next is done is a V3. According to formula, we have to remember the formula given by me in the last classes. The formula of the present perfect is subject plus have or has plus the V3 plus the object. This structure is called the formula of the present perfect tense form. But actually, last classes and I have already changed the present perfect tense into past perfect tense in the last classes. But actually, at that time, I don't focus on the tenses. The focus of the part of the ena parado person sana with the mamma person to the main best opening. Adu when rule the Kariariba. Seen a present indefinite Leram Daragat di Katawakan Hongo Hirabaneva. Adu same tense Tamina I did have them Sana same tense happening same tense done Tamani is okay. It's a very easy. All is a kind of the woman at the person Sana Maziga at the tears all is a and is Katani all is a dead have some Maziga lawyer. Adudi next matang the zuka the kind of future yama localize subject plus will or cell plus say abam lerama or kama leramani inverted kama manung the subject plus any tensor. It's okay. It is the formula of the direct speech. Direct speech ki formula. From the direct speech we have to know what is the tense of the reporting verb. Reporting verb se ki tense kana now we go to it. It is the future indefinite tense form. But actually we have to remember the rules. In the rules we know that if the tense of the reporting verb is present indefinite or future indefinite tense form, there will be no change in indirect form. Reported tense. Reported tense ki maram da kada boy ko na madu ki change to budo. Tawro hai da na ko na kada boy ko na high gre. Hydrobanina to the Vira, my formula, let's apply this formula. And let's make the example. She will say, next is I subject later. Anything I am learning English on the English it is a present continuous structure. This is called the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. But let's apply this formula. Some other she will say subject will say next is date I first person now we have first person. How to change first person of the reported speech? This first person should be changed in accordance with the subject of the reporting speech. Reporting speech subject first person I or subject she subject instead of I we have to use she is season. Next, Matana Kadawakona, Sidi, either a madam Bani, do she present continuous Kaibi Roy, Adubu, she the D is Harakani. And the Kari Maranga Matar, she then is Harino, Anna Hongaino Haidaraga de Kona, she that is an ever when among the Rule Tamzagara, and she is learning. She is learning English on phone. Okay, now we have already done about the missing tense of the reported speech. It is a first step or first step. Please be careful. Please focus on these rules. Narration is very important. Again, I am telling you all guys, I love you really. Just I would like to make you understand and how to write English correctly. But actually, when you write, you definitely need to understand English grammar, rules and the regulations and the others and the formulas and all the chapters you need it, I think, when you write. It is very important. Please don't forget it. I'm telling you. But I'm telling you that if you think that my channel is very helpful to our society, please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Okay, then after saying this, I'm telling you thank you very much for your cooperation.